Hello, folks. Welcome to API Test Automation with Rest Assured. I am Faisal Khatri. In this video, I'll cover the prerequisite for this course, talk about the course content, and give an overview on the Rest Assured framework. Before we begin discussing about this course, do check out my previous videos on what is API testing, which explains what an API is, different API testing types, and techniques to verify APIs. I would also recommend to check my video on how to test APIs manually, where I have demonstrated manual API testing using Swagger and Postman. You can check the links in the description of this video. In this course, we are going to learn REST Assured framework with Java for writing API automation test. You'll learn about what is REST Assured, setting up and configuring REST Assured with Maven, how to test GET, POST, PUT, patch, and delete API requests, how to test SOAP API request, how to perform response verification, data-driven testing with multiple files such as JSON, Excel, CSV, and so on. We'll also learn about how we can optimize our code by using reusable request and response specifications and REST assured configurations. We learn about serialization and deserialization of Java objects in REST assured test, parallel API testing, end-to-end API testing with REST assured, and finally we'll learn how to run API test with GitHub Actions. Let's start understanding what actually REST assured is. REST assured is an API test automation framework in Java. It is implemented in Groovy, meaning the underlying code of the REST assured framework is largely written in Groovy language. It allows writing the API automation test in BDD, that is behavior-driven development style, given when then format. The BDD style enables writing clean and readable tests. REST assured allows testing different HTTP methods of RESTful APIs, including GET, POST, PUT, patch, options, head, and delete. It supports testing RESTful GraphQL APIs, which sends and receives data in JSON format, and SOAP APIs, which sends and receives data in XML format. REST assured can be integrated with JUnit and TestNG testing frameworks. For more information on REST assured framework, you can check its website rest-assured.io. It provides information regarding its release notes, multiple versions, Java doc, usage guide, and frequently asked questions, and so on. For more information on the documentation, visit REST Assured repository's wiki page on GitHub. It provides detailed explanation, examples, and best practices to help you get the most out of REST Assured for API testing. That's all for this video. In the next video, we'll learn how to set up and configure REST Assured with Maven. Thank you.